Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Nooh Quran Learning Center. Inshallah, today we're gonna start lesson number 2 from Tajweed Lesson. Inshallah. So, before starting the lesson number 2, we need to understand about Qalqalah. So, today we're gonna start with Qalqalah from lesson number 2. So, before start the Suratul Falaq, we need to understand Qalqalah because on Suratul Falaq there is Qalqalah apply. So before starting Surah Al-Falaq, we need to understand what is Qalqalah. So let's start this. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So echo letters Qalqalah. So if you see if the following 5 letters in the Quran with a sukoon on the top, then we make an echo sound. If similarly, if you stop off any of these 5 letters and it becomes a sakin, then we will make an echo sound, which means these 5 letters are Qalqalah letters: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. So there is one condition, then they has Sakoon on the top, and even we are stop at each of every letter on this, so then we apply Qalqalah. So then we read with Qalqalah. So there are 5 letters of Qalqalah: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. Then they has Sakoon on the top, then we recite with Qalqalah. So let's see the first example. So the first example is Qaf. So the Qaf is a Qalqalah letter. So let's see the example. So what is the condition? If the letter Qaf has a Sakoon on the top, then we recite with Qalqalah. So you can see here in this example, the Qaf has a Sakoon on the top. So then we recite with Qalqalah. So Uqsimu, Uq. So basically this is Qalqalah, like echoing or jerking or jumping sound, like Uqsimu, then Khalaqna, then Khalaqa. And if we are stop on Qafs, Fatha becomes to Sakoon, and this is Khalaq. So I hope you understand Qalqalah, which means a echoing or jerking sound. So then we stop and each of every Qalqalah letter, the sound is like like this. So now let's see the next example. Ta. Ta is a Qalqalah letter, we know that. So At'amahum Tathiran. Muhitun. Muhitun becomes, if we are stop at this, Muhit. And next example, Ba. Hablun qablika. Kasaba. Kasaba becomes kasab. Next example, Jim. Tajri. Tajri. Fajri. Buruji becomes buruj. Next one, Dal. Qad aflaha. Lam yalid. Ahadun becomes ahad. So there are 5 letters of Qalqalah: Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. Then there has a Sakoon on the top. Then we recite with Qalqalah, like Aq, Aq, Ab, Aj, Ad, like this. So now let's start the Suratul Falaq, and we're gonna see on Suratul Falaq where is Qalqalah happening. Suratul Falaq Makkiyah. This has 5 verses and 1 ruku. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق. Falaq. Where is Qalqalah happening? On Qaf. So Falaqi becomes Falaq. Why this Qaf becomes Sakoon? Because the stop sign. So then the stop sign is end of any ayah. So the last letter symbol change into Sakina. So you can see Qaf as a Kasra. So Kasra becomes Sakoon, Sakina. Qaf becomes Sakina, and Falaq. And we know that there is one condition. Then the letters of Qalqalah has Sakoon on the top. Then we recite with Qalqalah. So Falaqi becomes to Falaq, and we read with Qalqalah. I hope you understand. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق. Again خلق becomes خلق because the stop sign. ومن شر غاسق النفاثات في العقد. ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. Again, practice with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. So this is the today lesson. Inshallah, in the next class we're gonna start new lesson and new surah as well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.